guys, we're back with another video. Today we will be playing jailbreak. So yeah, we're gonna try to pickpocket a cop. Some cop was asked over there, but I didn't want to do it yet because I was doing this. So yeah, but we're not getting key card. We're going to escape. Oh shoot. You can't jump on this. Oh shoot. Why you arrest me? Oh. Darn it, I got arrested. Come on. Let's check. Come on. Sadly I didn't glitch out. What's wrong with? Well, I opened my crate before this happened. I think I got a blue texture. I'm not really sure what color it was. It was purple or blue. Oh, will you give me a free card? Give me a free card? Yeet. Yeet. So, I just got arrested 2 times. I'll see you when I escape. So, I escaped, and I will be going to the city to rob. So, yeah. Maybe next video I will play another gameplay of jailbreak. So, yeah, I tried to help that person, but he didn't want help. So, I got pulled over once. I didn't make the video, but I got pulled over once. Just talking Spanish. Want to get in? Nope, I don't want to. No, she got in. This is my car only. Only my car. Dude, kick you out. That's how rich you are? Dang. She's still on my car. Looks like she's a... Oh! I'm a really bad driver. Just saying. I'm gonna rob the train, though. I'm gonna rob the train. So, yeah. So, let's rob the train, I guess. When it comes here. What's happening? So I think I can make this. No, no, still no. Oh, come on, I was so close. Just need, I'm gonna scoot up a little bit more. Like right here. Okay, there we go. No, still not. No. Can I get right here? This looks good enough. Oh man, so close. Can I jump from? Yes, I got up. So, how are we gonna get up there now? Hold up. I'm gonna actually rob the train. I'm gonna go back before it, like, comes out. So, backing up. And Holy shoot, that's a laggy girl. Just want to lock my car. I don't like laggy people. They flipped me once and then I died. I was going to. Oh shoot. Hold up. Hold up. Do not make sure I don't get arrested. Come back! Help him! That laggy girl isn't here. No! The train! Train! The train! No! I gotta go. Hurry up. I gotta hurry up fast. And I want to open up this door right now. Darn it. I can't make it. I cannot make this. Oh no! Darn, I should have went to the bridge. Gotta follow this. I'm not getting. Can I stun on it? Can I? That was. Oh no no no! I'm not gonna rob in time. Yup. Why are you fleeing all the way over there? I guess I can rob the bank if it's open. Well, I'm mostly close to the jewel, so I might rob the jewelry store. Okay, it just opened. Ah! I almost died there. I'm scared by the ones by the lasers. I might die by it. Huh. Almost died by that one. Yeah. I would just go with this cash. Nope. I'll go with some cash. All my cash. I'm not dying. I don't want to die. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. If I go over there, I will die. Who's a hacker? Get a boost? Oh, oh, I'm not dying. What? I'll go for it. Okay. Off you. I almost died. Okay, can I make these? I'm waiting. Off you. My first time, oh well, it's my second time robbing this. Okay, let's get out of here. How did I fall? Get over on this door. Please say it's off you. Oh, I thought that was a cop. If it was a cop, bad things would happen. I almost died in there. Dang. There we go. Just robbed it. So I think we can rob the bank. So my video is almost done. It's almost to 15 seconds already. So I think we can make it to the bank. I think we will. Please say it's open. It's closed. Darn. What? This is a car that I need. Damn. I'll see you when it opens. Oh, I got arrested. So everyone, you guys, comment down below if you want some more jailbreak videos. If you want me to, then let's hit 5 likes on this video for a noob versus pro. So yeah, peace out.